the game. Alright, so I'm not going to use JavaScript, I'm going to use Python. Right, so in this game there are 21 sticks lying in a pile. Players take turns taking 1, 2 or 3 sticks. The last person to take a stick wins. For example, 21 sticks in the pile, so if Bob takes 2, then it'll become 19 sticks left, and then take 1 until Bob takes 2, meaning Bob wins. So your task is to create a robot that will always win the game. Your robot will always go first. The function should take an integer and returns 1, 2 or 3. Note, the input will always be valid. Right, that's okay. Right, so let's return